In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage discounts using Google Sheets, a helpful skill whether you're managing a budget, analyzing sales data, or simply trying to make sense of your shopping deals. To start, you'll want to have your Google Sheet open and ready. If you haven't already created a Google Sheet, go to Google Drive, click on New, and choose Google Sheets to create a new spreadsheet. Once your spreadsheet is open, navigate to the cell C2 by clicking on it. We're going to use cell C2 to calculate the percentage discount. Let's assume that cell B2 contains the original price of an item, and we're looking to apply a 20% discount. In cell C2, type the formula, which is equal sign, then B2, followed by an asterisk, and then 0.2, which represents the 20% factor. The purpose of this formula is to compute the dollar amount of our discount. Don't forget to press the Enter key after typing the formula to validate it and see the result in the cell. Now, we need to apply this same formula to the rest of the cells in column C to account for all your items. Instead of typing the formula into each cell manually, you can make use of the autofill feature. Click on the small square at the bottom right corner of cell C2 and drag it down to fill the remaining cells in the column with the formula. This is a neat trick to ensure consistent calculations throughout your dataset. Next, let's move on to calculating the final discounted price. Click on cell D2. Here, we're going to determine the sale price after deducting the discount amount. Type in the formula, starting with an equal sign, followed by B2, then a minus sign, and finish with C2. By doing this, you're instructing Google Sheets to subtract the discount amount from the original price, giving you the final price. Hit Enter to see the result. Once more, we'll use the autofill feature to make handling large datasets a breeze. Click on the small square at the bottom right corner of cell D2 and drag it down to apply the formula to all cells in column D. Doing this saves you a lot of time and ensures your calculations are accurate. And there you have it. You've successfully calculated both the discount amounts and the final discounted prices for a range of items in Google Sheets. This process can be applied to various percentage discounts by changing the factor in your formula. So next time you're planning a sale or just wanting to ensure you're getting the best deal, you'll know exactly how to use Google Sheets to calculate percentage discounts. Thank you for watching and happy calculating.